I'm Dr. Emily Gray, and I'm the medical director of the Pediatric and Adolescent Eating Disorder Program at UC San Diego. I'm going to be presenting with Dr. Mary Ellen Trunco and Dr. Terry Schwartz, who are psychiatrists also at UC San Diego, and then also from our medical behavioral unit, Dr. Tamara Maginot and Dr. Kay Ree. It's going to be divided into two parts. The first part is really going to be focusing on the psychopharmacology of eating disorders, and our group here has really been working at the frontier of treatment interventions and thinking about medication interventions that really help support and augment treatment in new and exciting ways. So we're going to be sharing latest research along with our findings here. And so I think people will be able to glean some new options coming down the pipeline. And then the second half is going to focus on the medical behavioral unit, which is at Rady's Children's Hospital. And this unit is really just a model unit nationally of how psychology and medicine can work together to really help support people when they're at sometimes the sickest part of their illness. And so Dr. Kay Ree, Dr. Maginot, and myself will be talking about the philosophy, the medical interventions, the protocols, and what we really learned that is really helpful on that unit. I'm really excited to be talking about some novel treatments that we're offering, both for ARFID, anorexia, and then also we'll be sharing some of that new research on CBD for anorexia. Obviously, we're geared towards medical intervention. So any NDs, nurse practitioners, nursing, dietitians, anyone who works in a hospital or a clinical setting. But also I do think that general practitioners and psychologists that really want to know what the available options are will also find this very accessible and probably really worthwhile. This workshop is really kind of the first of its kind, where we're opening our doors and really just letting people see how we're approaching these very different conditions in a very medical setting. I'm very excited because you get very little opportunity to sit down with experts for an extended workshop, a full day. Oftentimes when you go to conferences, you get bits and pieces and you have to kind of rush to the next talk. We're going to be spending some very quality time really diving into topics in a very in-depth way.